Hey there, future investors. Welcome to this quick guide on how to invest with Wells Fargo in 2025. If you're looking to dip your toes into the world of investing or switch to a reliable platform, Wells Fargo has some exciting updates that make it easier than ever. I'm excited to walk you through the basics step by step, so you can start building your portfolio with confidence. First off, why Wells Fargo in 2025? With advancements in digital tools and personalized advice, it's a great choice for beginners and pros alike. The platform now features enhanced AI-driven recommendations and sustainable investment options, helping you align your money with your values while navigating market changes. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Get started by opening an account. Head to the Wells Fargo website or app and sign up for a brokerage account. You'll need to provide some basic info like your ID and financial details. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're in, take a moment to explore their dashboard, which is user-friendly and packed with tutorials. Next, educate yourself on investment options. Wells Fargo offers stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and even ETFs. For 2025, they're emphasizing green investments and crypto-linked funds, so think about your goals, whether it's long-term growth or short-term gains. Always assess your risk tolerance. Remember, no investment is foolproof. Now, for the fun part, making your first investment. Use their tools to research and select assets, set up automatic contributions, and monitor your portfolio. Don't forget to link it with Wells Fargo's banking services for seamless transfers. And hey, keep an eye on 2025 trends like economic shifts or new regulations that could impact your choices. Finally, always stay informed. Wells Fargo provides regular updates, webinars, and advisor access. Investing is a journey, so review your strategy periodically and adjust as needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below. Let's make 2025 your year of smart investing. Outro music fades in. Remember, this is for educational purposes. Consult a professional before diving in.